Why do some people achieve success again and again while others struggle to change even one habit? Is it motivation? Is it talent? No, the real answer is habits. In this video, you will understand atomic habits in simple English and how small changes can completely transform your life. Most people think success comes from big actions, but this book teaches something different. Success comes from small habits repeated daily. Imagine this. If you improve just 1% every day, after 1 year, you will be 37 times better. But if you get worse by 1% every day, your life will go down slowly. This is called the compound effect. Small actions don't look important today, but over time, they create huge results. Many people try to change their life but fail. Why? Because they focus on outcomes, not systems. There are 3 levels of change: outcome, what you want; process, what you do; and identity, who you are. Most people focus only on outcome. I want to lose weight. I want to become rich. But successful people focus on identity. I am a healthy person. I am a disciplined person. Real change starts from identity. Every habit follows a cycle: cue, craving, response, reward. Example: you see your phone, cue. You feel like checking it, craving. You open Instagram, response. You feel good, reward. This loop repeats again and again. If you understand this, you can control your habits. 1. Make it obvious. Your environment controls your behavior. If your book is on the table, you are more likely to study. If your phone is near you, you will use it, so design your environment smartly. 2. Make it attractive. We do things that feel good, so make your habits enjoyable. Example: listen to music while studying. Study in a comfortable place. 3. Make it easy. Don't start big, start small. Instead of "I will study 5 hours," start with 30 minutes. Small habits are easier to follow. 4. Make it satisfying. Your brain repeats what feels good, so reward yourself after completing a habit. Even a small reward works. To break bad habits, reverse the rules. Make it invisible. Make it unattractive. Make it difficult. Make it unsatisfying. Example: keep your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. The harder the habit, the less you will do it. Most people think motivation is everything, but the truth is, environment is stronger than motivation. If you are in a good environment, good habits become easy. If you are in a bad environment, bad habits become automatic. So change your surroundings. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even if you miss 1 day, don't miss 2 days. Progress is not about perfection. It is about showing up every day. So the message of this book is simple. Small habits create big success. Focus on systems, not just goals. Change your identity, and your life will follow. Start small, stay consistent, and your future will change.